Hey everyone, today I want to show you a brand new method for recovering deleted photos, videos, and other files on iOS devices. We've all been there. You delete something by accident and it feels like it's gone forever. But don't stress, because there is a way to get it back. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use an app called iRecovery to retrieve lost files. Whether it's important photos, videos, or other data you accidentally removed, this app can help you recover them. As you can see on my iPhone, I already have the iRecovery app installed, so let's open it up together. Once the app launches, you'll see a button labeled Start Deep Scan. All you need to do is tap it, and the app will begin scanning your device for deleted files. The scan may take a few minutes, depending on how much data you have, but it's definitely worth the wait. When the scan finishes, you'll find the recovered files in the Recovered section. For example, here you can see it successfully brought back these two photos. If you want to get this app on your own device, keep watching the video. This app is a real game changer and can save you a lot of stress and hassle when something important gets deleted. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called appinjects.com. AppInjects is a website where you can find many apps and games with awesome features. Once you are on the website, search for iRecover and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete, but don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.